Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kelsey. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make probably one of the cheapest soups, but it's so good and it's really good for you, and it's going to help like snatch your waist if that's one of your goals for 2026. But we're going to be making some cabbage soup. So let's get into it. All right, so these are the ingredients for the soup. We've got some cabbage, we've got 3 stalks of celery, 2 carrots, most of an onion. You don't need a whole onion, but you know, you could use a whole onion. I'm gonna use like 4 cloves of garlic. I got some vegetable stock. You can use chicken stock or any stock that you choose to use. And then these are the seasonings that I'm gonna be using. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you add this recipe to one of your 2026 go-tos, because I promise you, you are going to be super healthy eating this soup. But thank you for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video.